As a Jamaican citizen, do you know your legal rights and responsibilities in relation to searches conducted by police, whether it is a search of a person, a house, or a vehicle? If you don't remember, let me refresh your memory. And if you don't know, prepare to be edified.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Searching of a person. To search you, a police officer must have a reasonable suspicion that you are about to commit, is committing, or have committed an offense. They should tell you why they want to search you. You have a right to ask the police officer politely the reason why he or she wants to search you if it is you were not told from the outset. Police officers should not search you based on how you look or where you come from. A woman should be searched by a woman only, and if no female police officer is available, the search must be made by any woman designated for the purpose by a police officer. Men are usually searched by both male and female officers. House search. Generally, the police should have a warrant before they search your house. They should show it to you when they come to search your house. Ask to see the warrant. If they do not have a warrant, ask respectfully what their reasonable grounds are for wanting to enter your house, as there are cases where the police can search without a warrant. For example, when it is believed that a crime has been or about to be committed, or if the police are in pursuit of a suspect and that person runs into your house. This is called reasonable grounds or suspicion. Ask the officer's name, but if he fails to identify himself, note anything that can help you to identify the officer. For example, his badge number, markings on the car he drove, etc. Look carefully at the officer so that you may be able to identify him. If necessary, you can relay the description at a later date. A warrant will normally be executed by day unless otherwise stated and where good reasons were given why it must be done at night. A warrant should be executed only within the strict specifications mentioned within the warrant. Follow the officers during the search. If the police want to take items from your home, they should make a note of the items being taken and leave a signed copy with you. Request a signed list of anything that the officers takes with him or her. The right to protection from torture or inhumane or degrading punishment or other treatment. Vehicular search. If the police wishes to search your vehicle, they should tell you the reasonable ground for wanting to search. They do not have a right to search as a matter of routine. You have a right to ask the police officer courteously the reason for wanting to search your vehicle if they do not tell you. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.